Boston's a fantastic city to go to university and to start your career. Many industries have their heart here in Boston. It's also a city that's set up to support students. So students oftentimes can easily find an internship, part-time work, or an entry-level career. The Career Center's mission is to support every Suffolk student to reach excellent career outcomes after graduation. We want to help students have the skills, the knowledge, and the confidence to articulate their experiences to somebody else. We want to help students build their network, build those connections with folks who can help them with their career later on. We do that in a number of ways. We have career fairs, we have preparation workshops to make sure students know how to take advantage of them. We go out of our way to make sure we're cultivating relationships with employers that are open to sponsoring international students and that are familiar with the visa process and the OPT-CPT process. When they're not, we educate those employers. Getting experience in the workplace is critical to finding your first job after graduation. One of the key ways is the experiential learning of an internship. We support students in finding those internship opportunities, and we also work closely with the International Student Office to help students with the CPT process. We're really proud of the fact that 98% of our students are either full-time employed or in continuing education in a master's degree program after graduation from Suffolk. That's attributed to our strong focus on preparing students for success after graduation. Boston is both a quintessential American city and also an incredibly diverse and international city. I think that students can really find Boston to be the perfect place to launch their careers.